Sewer camera inspection at 1715 South Roberts Road in Tempe. House built in 1959. We're on east elevation right now. It's a little bit sunny right now, direct sun, but we've got a couple cleanouts back here. One looks to be ABS, the other one looks to be cast iron. Now both caps have damage to it. That cap is damaged. This cap did not come off without prying this off because that metal cap is frozen onto that cast iron fitting. So I do have some water running in the primary bathroom right now. The hall bathroom, the guest bathroom. Just in the bathtub. I want to get down into the drain lines because we had a couple slow drains today. I saw cast iron underneath the shower drain. So that's why I recommended this inspection to you. Because these cast iron pipes at this age, you know, you're looking at 67 years. It's past its expected service life. So you're going to get pits, corrosion built up on the inside of the pipe, possible cracks. Of course, with cracks you get leaks, so that's what we're looking for today. You can see there's a channel on the bottom of this pipe from just years and years of water flowing through it. It just kind of eats a little channel in it. So I have to be careful with my camera head. If it's caught on something, it could cut my camera head. You can see there's a little bit of debris in the line right there because there's a rough texture bottom. And that goes up, you can see that hole in the roof, that's a vent stack. I don't see any other lines that are going off this main line. So now I'm going to pull the camera head back. Like I said, it's really sunny out here. I'm getting the best look I can on my screen, but with the brightness, it's kind of hard to see everything. So I'll go and blow this up on a bigger screen this afternoon or this evening when I get home and just make sure that we didn't miss anything that was hard to see right now. Looking for bellies, cracks, offset pipes. Typical rust and corrosion. It's not like flaking off right now. It doesn't look terrible. Then we have another clean out right above us. That's what I'm going to be going down to next, and here's some cockroaches. Cockroaches like to come in between those pipes right there where the ABS meets up with the cast iron. That's a downhill offset. At least the water is running downhill and it's not going to hit the edge of that pipe as it flows. There is a little bit of a crack there, and bugs and insects like to use that as their highway to get into the drain line. And then whatever debris material is in the drain line is what they survive on. Going out to the street, you can tell that this is a different pipe, right? This is not cast iron. Screen here. You see that cockroach trying to get in between the pipes? That's what they like to use. So this ABS pipe is a little bit bigger than the clay pipe. You can see that the hole is bigger. So all the water going down is pushing against the side of that clay pipe, which could cause some obstructions. But at 49 feet, it turns to clay. And this is probably right at the fence line in the back. Yeah, that's where the cockroaches are coming in, is that clay pipe. All those cracks around it, you can see the antennas popping through there. Another offset pipe here. 54. And that's city sewage right there, 53 feet. That's going to be back in the alley, underneath the alley. So definitely a couple offset pipes. Looks like everything is flowing all right. That's where the two materials meet. If you have any questions about this home inspection or the sewer camera inspection, please get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan. Be happy to answer any questions you have.